How do you practice English? I practice English by reading stories. Do you speak English at home? Yes, I practice English with my siblings. How do you learn new words? I write new words in my notebook. Do you watch English videos? Yes, I watch English videos on the YouTube channel English Tales. Do you make mistakes in English? Yes, I make mistakes, but I try again. How do you learn grammar rules? I make small sentences in English. Do you use English on your phone? Yes, I keep my phone in English. Can we become fluent in English? Yes, if we practice daily. How to learn grammar? Practice rules. How to be confident? Speak without fear. Talking on the phone. Hello, how are you? I'm fine. How are you? I am good. Are you free tomorrow? Yes, I'm free in the evening. Shall we go to the mall? Yes, that's a good idea. What time should we meet? Let's meet at 4 p.m. How will you come? I will come by bus. Do you want to watch a movie? Yes, I love movies. Will anyone else join us? Yes, Alex may also come. Do you want me to book tickets? Yes, please. Should we meet outside the mall? Yes, at the entrance gate. Are you excited for Sunday? Yes, I can't wait. Great. See you soon. Okay, see you. Bye. Waiting in a bank queue. Is this the line for the counter? Yes, it is. How long have you been waiting? I have been here for 20 minutes. Why are you here today? I came to deposit money. Oh, I came to open an account. That's good. Is it your first account? Yes, it's my first account. Do you have all the documents? Yes, I brought everything. Good. Do you come to this bank often? Yes, it's near my house. Do you like online banking? Yes, it saves a lot of time. Do you usually face long queues here? Sometimes, especially on Mondays. Do you carry a checkbook with you? Not always, only when needed. Are you comfortable using ATMs? Yes. Have you ever lost your ATM card? Yes, once. And it was very stressful. Do you use mobile banking apps? Yes. I use them for bill payments. Finally, our turn is coming. Yes. I'm tired of waiting. Booking a cab. Where are you going today? I need to go to the railway station. How will you go? I will book a cab. Do you book online or call the driver? I always book online. Is it easy to book? Yes, it's very easy. How much does it usually cost? Around $80. How long does the cab take to arrive? 5 to 10 minutes. Do you check the driver's details? Yes, always for safety. What if the cab gets late? Then I will call the driver. Have you ever cancelled a cab? Yes, sometimes. Do you share your ride details with family? Yes, for safety. Do you pay by cash or online? I pay by card. Keep practicing every day, and soon you will speak English with confidence. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.